of a man's life, and yes, I own there. December breeze, one now, community say, yes, 40 years, Yamina Duma. Not sure there, Yaya Bianche Yenduha, Nka, Intika, good baby, I trying to say, yeah, do 40 years, now you good year celebrate that. Not sure Yayabi, and milk mo ubiara, Aiko there. Bias in a Mozambique, Kanka, was also Mawama Jumezi, why a crab washer, inti Yayabi.
In terms of advice, very important with mediation. You know, the animal water more school, water more shady. You bear young or any pain by an engineer. Why about here? Because about foot at the school for off blood to burn. Yamahon or assignment, one guesses and pushes in terms of class and being important noise. Yeah, 40 that showed that the men here are to Mother. What advice are you going to give to them?
Okay, my culture. A school for another students there, it's high time they get serious because education is for a lifetime, and once somebody is able to give you education, he has given you the best of everything in life. In team moment, there was one and this when was someone urgent. Now wash a day as a student either was because what's our brand new arable. Inti ya be enough films but kesana so gina students there me yezer mo now so be den ebe fa na esu inti se wana sen ye o ensuan waze en call lectures na bisa ho there ebe na zinti na wanka se be school. I think a be there erbo suan na also so debi etume gina na do na abobra inti said to them za enzi bomb was na there ebe be school na esuan na ye mo fata na nya meso wide and we shoma bibia osu wenyo do bia wa kodu juju
Madam Caroline, also when you ask me, I like when I can say, Evan as a papa that wants to know here, will feel happy, will feel proud. Well, I am come out to my each said that he now, whatever, mother, if you to me, enough from the or son, Hena Dachi, and
it's Madam Caroline Quampa, ono na excellent kawo CCT one in fee edonan ninze nemono na one fee edonan ninze nemono wejinado na wapan adusua fa mfi iba sentem mfi ananentem ebimpo edi face ya wo osanda why diploma HND degree no di postgraduate or that sodo nti wa check school papa nti wejinado na wapan na madusua friend na won kwe na bria wode won musua abewe wonko na wonka ye djuma mfansum oman Ghana na wo postgraduate ewraba ya me na dom ma oye civil engineer besiesima enkomotwetwe sonko krodo na nhwe nkoma ya ntwetwe ne bi
male dominated course, even though intimidation, and all that, but persistence and consistency, and because you are doing it, so we need the salon show, but what we need to say, okay, a male dominated environment, but meet my so you put your mind in it, then you work towards it.
What's your full name?
Oh, so it's not easy, but so what do I do? Because so it's determination and consistency. So we need to say, as we fellow Urbano, some more to my because so there's nothing that you can't do. So then you set your mind on it and then you do it. With the industry mouth, I'm now because we pay a master's way. Now me Jane was a mania and I'm but with the convincing of parents, it's me and my business.
Eti Raba Mevisa Santa Boaje ono na etenen kan wabra yami ai na dom why na masters wo oye civil engineering wo Cape Coast Technical University abra wo pon na dai ampa esua de bebedu yede ko keye djuma fosum oman Ghana ebusua wo oye CCT wona fitida na wa pon adesua fi kwanchefu peyina oda oye postgraduate no mete dino student Professor Emmanuel Kwamina Banfueje samtwefu no bonko ni bisen na prof so nya bandama na bansonko na other traditional university na onye technical university wa bra binum so why the civil engineer ya bi na won so won masters why the masters course ni bi na banda Cape Coast Technical University wɔn nso wɔyɛ the same course no ne nkyɛkyerɛm ɛna sonko a ɔwɔ ɔno ehindi na Professor Emmanuel Kwame Banfo Egia ɔdi no student postgraduate wɔ Cape Coast Technical University nsama ɔde to gɔne bi
products no wɔyɛ ase paa for year road construction yɛn kasa sisi one of the youngest speakers no ɔbɛn wɔ yɛn program no wɔn friend Mahama no Ibrahim Mahama ɔno ɔfi CCTU owe esi pɔle wɔ ade there's one of the largest projects wɔyɛ wɔ Usahum area wɔ no ɔyɛ headed by the CCTU product owe esi pɔle wɔ ade 2003 yɛn kasa and there are many of the construction firms wɔyɛ ase eba Cape Coast one of the leading contractors OC Adisco one project no Owe school ade was Sipoli ade in 2002 our friend find job or something of that sort since yen teaching no Cape Coast Technical University especially with the postgraduate students this is the first time graduate students in engineering or civil engineering kasa since Cape Coast Technical University after 40 years of existence one of them models differently from traditional universities ones in the year more of design or theoretical usually are more of applied so that at the end of the day students graduates will go to our construct will go to our build will go to our produce men so that at the end of the day you bet me impact area no that is the situation kasa graduate studies programs here so young program here or different from that of the traditional universities at the end of the day a way we program no are there that's why ejuma chon in fact most of the people who have completed this when ejuma ahead of time because we hot demand in the sector especially engineering programs construction programs and in the next 5 years time you better add at least additional 10 programs or master's program and we are looking at it that at least that within that 5 years you better if not 2 doctoral programs PhD programs doctor of technology programs for civil engineering and construction technology management. These are the areas where young governing council chairman all my directive there we need to have more postgraduate programs. These are your two new USA. So by the time you need term of a year, the next 5 years, strategic plan now, we are going to get at least 10 new programs for postgraduate programs. You have 2 doctoral programs for construction in a civil engineering. This is your capacity. Most of your faculty members were PhD holders. Normally, and doctorate programs are. Who faculty members one minimum qualification in your PhD. And since I hear Kasano, 90% of the faculty members were civil departments in a building who hit a 1 PhD. We go to 1 year program. So directive, young governing council chairman, Professor Isaac Donchi, one man there, come next academic year. Young should share there, young postgraduate program more than young 2 new year a day.
It's Professor Emmanuel ono no ye Dino student postgraduate Michelle Cape Coast Technical University ono nan sabna ekete no do suna ebegina na nyabe don ko kasebo Coastal Television no yade aba ewi aseda papa awom no yade ba ma desert gift shop in onye National Petroleum Authority edwoko ibeni wona dawo ma na we soma asema made oye don ko kasebo Coastal Television mo de brahum aseda bi onu nkoma